Today I will discuss part A of paper 2 patent agent examination 2018. Okay, so friends, part A consists of actually 4 questions and each question carries 5 marks. Okay, so total is 20 marks. So here we have 4 questions. Actually these 4 questions I have discussed in my note by writing the question and answer at a particular place. That means at the same place. Okay, so let us proceed with that. So question number 1 is write a short note on non-patentable inventions within the provision of the Patent Act 1970. Okay, so the answer is as follows. We will refer section 3 and section 4 to answer the above question. Section 3 has the title what are not inventions. Okay, this indicates the non-patentable inventions. Fine. Section 3A says contrary to natural laws. Example is perpetual motion of a machine. Fine. Next one is section 3B, inventions that are contrary to public order or morality. For example, if someone invents a kind of guillotine that goes against public order and morality. Next one is section 3 clause C or 3C. Scientific principle or abstract theory. Example is E equal to mc square. Next one is 3D. New form or properties of known substance. For example, salts, ethers, esters, isomers, etc. without efficacy shall be considered the same substance. They will not be treated as the new one, though they are new form of a known substance, but they will consider as the same substance. They will be considered new only when they have some more efficacies. Fine. This we can take some examples of pharmaceutical products, then we can find out. Fine. Next one is 3E, admixture of substance. Without synergistic effect, it is not patentable. In simple words, I can say, in Hindi we say, do or do panch. That we know that 2 plus 2 cannot be 5. But if it becomes 5, that means 2 and 2, if they are summed up to 5, then there are some synergistic effect. And here, in a simple admixture, there is no synergistic effect. That means do is 4 only. That means 2 plus 2 is 4 only. So, that's why without synergistic effect, it is not patentable. Next one, 3F, rearrangement of known devices. For example, an umbrella fitted with a torchlight. Okay. They are just independent devices, we can say. So, this is just a rearrangement. Next one is 3G. This is actually omitted. Next one is 3H, method of agriculture. 3I, method of treatment. 3J, plant or animal parts are not patentable, but microorganisms are excluded from this, and this we can discuss in a clear case study, that is Diminaco versus Controller of Calcutta High Court. Fine. Next one is section 3K, a mathematical or business method or computer program per se. Okay. Example is source code of a computer program cannot be patented. Next one is 3L, copyrightable products such as literary, dramatic work, etc. Next one is 3M, that is method of playing a game. Next one is 3N, presentation of information, that means the way of presenting a matter. Then 3O, topography of integrated circuits. Actually we have different IP for this, right, for semiconductor devices. Okay. Next one is traditional knowledge. 3P is traditional knowledge. Okay, and the next section is section 4. Anything pertaining to atomic energy is not patentable. For this we can refer section 65 as well. Okay, so friends, this way answer for question A is completed. Next we will proceed to question number 2. Question number 2 says, a psychiatrist of Mumbai develops a music therapy for his schizophrenic patients, which has tremendous impact on them and helps them to get rid of many of the symptoms of schizophrenia. The doctor attended one awareness program for patent filing and, being motivated, approached you for advice. As a registered patent agent, what do you suggest him? Fine. So the answer will be just refer section 3 clause L, which says a literary, dramatic, musical or artistic work or any other aesthetic creation whatsoever, including cinematographic works and television productions. The above works are not patentable as per the section. Hence, as a patent agent, I will suggest him or her not to proceed for patent filing. Fine. I can rather suggest him or her to proceed with another IPR, that is copyright. Fine. Next one is question number 4. Okay. Question number 3 I will discuss after I complete this. So question number 4 says the grant of a patent is based on certain conditions as stipulated in section 47 of the Patent Act. Briefly explain those conditions. So the title of section 47 is to grant of patents to be subject to certain conditions. Grant of patents to be subject to certain conditions. Okay, so the conditions are: number 1, any medicine, any machine, apparatus or other article in respect of which the patent is granted, or any article made by using a process in respect of which the patent is granted, may be imported or made by or on behalf of the government for the purpose merely of its own use. Just observe the underlined words, friends. These are the key words. Just remember them. Next one is condition number 2. Any process with respect to which the patent is granted may be used by or on behalf of government for its own use. That means, moreover, this is for public use, public welfare. Fine. Next one is condition number 3 is for research exemption. Okay, that is any machine, apparatus or other article in respect of which the patent is granted, or any article by the use of a process with respect to which the patent is granted may be made or used, and any process with respect to the patent is granted may be used by any person for experimental purpose or research, which includes the imparting of instructions to pupils. That means teaching students. Fine. So here also just observe the underlined words in these 2 points. The last point is for a patent with respect to any medicine or drug. The medicine or drug may be imported by the government for the purpose of its own use, or for dispensary distribution maintained by the government or such institution or institutions specified by the central government by notification in the official gazette. Here also please observe the underlined words. So these are the conditions for section 47, whose title is grant of patents to be subject to certain conditions. Okay, and the left part is number 3. Actually, I have discussed it earlier in a separate video, but still I am trying to solve it. Okay, so question number 3 says one client A has come to your office for seeking advice regarding assignment for a solar cooktop which B has already patented. As a practicing patent agent, brief him about the applicable issues as per the Patent Act and rules to your client A. Fine. So simply I would like to say that please refer section 69, rule 90 and form 16. Still I am going to describe this. Patent is already granted to this kind of things are just our analysis part. Fine. Patent is already granted to B. A6 advice on assignment for the solar cooktop, that is granted to B. So note, the term assignment is not defined in the Indian Patent Act. It is an act by which the patentee assigns whole or part of his patent rights to the assignee, who obtains the right to prevent others from making, using, exercising or vending the invention. Types are legal assignment, equitable assignment and mortgage. Fine. Okay, so what will be my advice? My advice to A will be, an argument must be done in writing between the parties A and B, which will later be converted to a document carrying all the terms and conditions governing their rights and obligations to be duly executed. Okay, I have written here in an indirect voice. It will be understandable. Fine. Next, so for this you please refer section 68, which is the title of assignments etc. not to be valid unless in writing and duly executed. Fine. Next is, A should apply in the prescribed manner to the controller for the registration of his title etc. and this should be done in form 16. So for this refer section 69, rule 90, rule 92 etc. Section 69 has the title of registration of assignment, transmissions etc. Fine. Now A shall have the power to assign, grant licenses under the patent etc. and to give effectual receipts for any consideration for any such assignment etc. Okay. So for this please refer section 70, whose title is power of registered grantee or proprietor to deal with patent. Fine. And just for reference I have written here what is form 16. This is the we can say this is application for registration of title or interest in a patent or share in it, or registration of any document purporting to affect proprietorship of the patent. Okay, so this way friends, all the questions, we can say all the 4 questions from part A of paper 2 patent agent examination 2018 is completed. So please go through my video, please share my video among your friends, please friends subscribe my channel so that there will be more interactions, you will be benefited, I will be benefited and encouraged as well. Okay, so okay fine, thanks for watching my video, thanks for listening to me. Thank you so much friends, stay safe, stay blessed.